DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Trump Media and Technology has been sitting at 34.91, like 12% up for the day. And the way that I'm looking at this is simple. Boom, simple scales. Now, honestly speaking, like, it's a demand zone tap, and ultimately it all comes back down to having this second break above 35 bucks, in which only then I'll buy. Unless the price gives me that double break, like, I have no business doing here buying, like, really. And I'm trying to be real with you, but that is the reality behind it. So you know, like, I'm not assuming, I'm just reacting. Like, whatever the price does, I just follow. I mean, I've done 30,000 videos and I know what has worked for me, what has not. And I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. See ya.